Hi guys, this is Agushini. Welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you're doing good and that you're taking care of yourself. And on the note of taking care of oneself, I often see you guys asking me under product reviews that whether that particular product is sulfate free and paraben free. You know, over the years I kind of realized that for a lot of you, these factors are really very important, that if a particular product is cruelty free, sulfate free and paraben free, and as you know that your wish is my command, so I got into the search for looking for products that actually tick those boxes, and I, believe it or not, came across a brand, an Indian brand, that not only ticks all those boxes but actually claims that they bring the secrets of Korean beauty, hair and skincare to the Indian consumer. Now, if you're a returning subscriber and a viewer, you might know that I am very particular about certain things. I am very particular about reading the ingredients, and I really like putting claims that a brand makes to taste, and I use a product on myself for at least 2 weeks before giving you my super honest review on it. There's one thing that actually appealed to me about this brand, and that is they said that they make no claims to fairness. And if you're a returning viewer and a subscriber, you know that how averse I am to this particular idea of claiming to fairness. Like मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है ये claim जो कुछ products कहते हैं ना कि ये लगाओ और आप गोरी हो जाओगी. It's absolute rubbish. So I decided to support this relatively new homegrown brand, and in today's video I'm going to share with you my personal experience of using the face toner slash mist from Pilgrim, the night serum, the scrub and the body butter. So without further ado, let's get started. Now for each of the products that I'll be talking about here, because there are multiple products, I'm going to mention the prices and the quantity here and in the description box down below, so make sure that you check out the description box for sure. And the first product that I'm going to talk about is Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Island Volcanic Lava Ash Body Scrub. It says that it is for all skin types, that it exfoliates your skin, it detoxes your skin, and it just makes your skin really bright and supple. Now it retails for rupees 650 and you get 200 grams of the product. So why am I starting with this particular product is because of the smell of it. Like, you guys know how obsessive I am about how a product smells, and that is because I am very sensitive to smell. Like, I cannot stand super strong smells, but I really like my product to smell very relaxing and mild. First impression of using this body scrub was that it makes me feel like I am inside my own bathroom, but I'm actually transported to a real spa. If you ever have had a real spa experience, you would know what I mean when you're going to use the scrub. You would feel that you are in this really fancy spa by using this particular product, because the smell is so nice. I really like the quantity and the consistency. So what you do is you take a little bit of this product, you just apply it in long strokes in your wet skin, and you just rub it for a while, and the exfoliants in this particular scrub is really fine, so it doesn't hurt your skin, and the chances of over exfoliating your skin is really low. And my advice to you would be that you keep it on for 5 minutes and then wash it off. In the meantime, you might apply a hair mask in your hair and just wait for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, because you know I'm always in favor of using hair mask. But anyway, without digressing, you keep it on, and when you wash it off, your skin just feels so smooth and supple, and it just feels rejuvenated. Okay, and I love this, and the smell of the product doesn't linger on much, but then again I love how it smells while I'm using it. But talking about smell that lingers on, I'm going to move on to the body butter. The shea and cocoa body butter smells divine. Like, I love the smell of cocoa butter, and shea butter is really moisturizing and good for the skin. So if you want a smell to linger on and that you do not want to use a perfume or a deo, you can use this body butter. I think it is going to be really helpful during the winters. But what I really like is that using hand sanitizers and constantly washing our hands makes our hands really dry. And if you remember, in my previous haul videos also I have talked about my products that can be used in multiple ways. So I take a bit of this body butter and use it as a hand cream, and it makes my hands so soft and it smells so good that I absolutely love it. So yeah, that is the body butter. I'm not mentioning the products ingredients specifically because of two reasons. Because I have already said the highlights of the ingredients of these products, that these are sulfate free, paraben free. So all you guys that are looking for sulfate free, paraben free products, this is your girl finally coming up with products that are actually sulfate free and paraben free. And the second reason I'm not mentioning the ingredients is also because I have a lot of products from this particular brand that I want to talk about in one single video, and I do not want to make this video exceptionally long. The body scrub and the body butter both have very nice ingredients. The body butter has almond oil, sesame oil, shea butter, and all of these really moisturizing ingredients that are so good to your skin. And your skin actually, even when you just use the scrub, your skin just feels so soft, and when you use the body butter, it obviously feels softer. So I love them both. And I'm now going to move on to the next two products, and there is one product from the last two products that has absolutely bowled me over. Guys, I had to put up my hair because it's so hot here. Anyway, the third product and the penultimate product that I'm going to talk about is the White Lotus Natural Face Mist and Toner with Camellia and Witch Hazel. Now, as you might notice in my previous videos, that recently I have discovered this miracle product in our skincare routine, and that is a toner. I previously, I was not serious about skincare at all, but now that I'm 25, I am starting to take skincare a lot more seriously than I have ever in my life, because I'm seeing that my skin is telling me that in all these years you have not cared for me a bit, so it's high time that you do, otherwise I'm just going to break out and I'm just going to look not so pretty. So I discovered that a toner makes so much difference to your skincare and to your skin. So I love this particular toner. I'm going to tell you why. It is because it is non-sticky, number one. Like all of their products are non-sticky. Again, I love the smell. I think I have found products that finally smell the way I want them to smell. So that, and I just love it that when I'm sweating in front of the camera, I just can quickly spray it in my face and feel much more rejuvenated and feel like I'm inside a spa, even though I'm standing in this sweltering heat. But on a more serious note, this product, the warranty on all of these products is 36 months, which is great. And this particular product actually makes my skin feel hydrated, fresh when I want to, just in the middle of the day, I just want to quickly spray it on my face after using a face wash and before using a face serum. I love the smell of it. I love how non-sticky it is, and I just love the fact that it does what it claims. It tones, it hydrates, purifies. The best part is that it is alcohol free. So yeah, that's what I love about this toner. I'm finally going to move on to the most favorite product out of all the 4 products that I ordered, and that is the Vitamin C Night Serum with Hyaluronic Acid and White Lotus. Okay, why I love this product is because it makes my skin glow. It makes my skin super glowing. My skin absolutely glows when I use this serum. The second reason is that I only need very few drops. The first day the product arrived, I was very excited, and I used so many products and my skin was glowing like a bulb. Okay, so don't do that. You need very few drops of product. And even my mom was saying that, oh my god, your face is glowing. So, and I love the fact that it has a really long nozzle, the dropper, so that it's very easy to control the amount of product that you're using on your skin. Packaging, what I love and what I don't. I love the packaging of the products because they are very sturdy without feeling bulky. They feel very luxurious. I love the price point for the quantity the products come in. Even the toner is going to last you for quite a long time. I love the smell, if I have not said it enough. I love the fact that they are sulfate free, paraben free, and that I can finally answer to you guys. I have come across an Indian brand that is sulfate free, paraben free, cruelty free. So for those of you who look specifically for these things in your skincare products, you can use them. The fourth thing that I love is that they are trying to make Korean skincare accessible to the Indian consumer. But the only con I think is that I would love if the scrubber came with, the body scrub came with a small spoon, because scooping it out would have been much more easier than when you're in the shower and you scoop it out with your own fingers, or you use your own spoon. So having a little wooden spoon or something like that would have been great. Apart from that, I really like this, and if there are 2 products which I think you can also try if you want to, is the body scrub. Oh my god, it's spa in a tub. And the other product is the night serum. It absolutely suited my skin so much. I have combination skin that is really sensitive and gets oily in the T-zone. So make sure that you use it in controlled quantity, but I loved it. But then again, whatever suits me might not suit you equally well, or might suit you even better, because all of us, as I keep saying in one of my videos, have different skin, different hair texture in our very own beautiful way. So please keep that in mind. On that note, I really hope that you like this video, guys. I am sweating. I would love it if you appreciate my hard work, if you appreciate the fact that I'm standing in this heat just to talk to you. So बस like कर देना मेरे वीडियो को. We are so close to 4K, guys. Don't forget to hit the bell icon after you subscribe to my channel, so that it makes the ding noise, and it just absolutely makes my day. Please take out some time from your busy schedule and leave a comment down below letting me know whether you're liking my videos. And you guys mean the world to me. I'll see you very, very soon in another video. Until then, please do take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.